Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tony. I'm a Chief Mentor and Course Developer, as you remember. And now I want you to show the example of the solution for our last part for Module 4 practice task. Okay, let's start. 5.1 Spreadsheets. Develop a spreadsheet that displays data from the product's prices information register. Here is the task. A lot of task for the template itself, as you can see. Let's go to the 1C and check it. What do we have here? What do we actually need? First of all, of course, this is maybe the same print form that we can create for a document, but for a document it is created automatically. And for such objects as information registers and other objects, actually, we should do everything manually. So we need a command print. Here it is, as you can see. It creates a spreadsheet document, and then it calls the special procedure to fill it with data. Here is this procedure. That's pretty easy. We get the needed data via the query. Then we we get areas from our template, the header, the table, and so on, the footer. And here we're filling it with data, as you can see. Yes, we fill it with data. That's how it looks like. Speaking about the template, here is the template. It can be created additionally. All the variables are put here. All the regions and areas are divided, as you can see. Footer, table, body, header, and so on and so on. So first you create the template, then you create the command, and after that, in the manager module, you add this procedure that fills everything with data. Yes, in the register we can actually put the register here in the quick menu, but it will do. Here is our little report. As you can see, it is working. Cool, let's move on. So the next task is 5.2 HTML. Add to catalog products form an option to search Google for a product by its name. Cool. What do we have here? Actually, we move to the products for module. Here we have this command, this function or procedure or whatever. How do we get this string? This is the Google API, and it is obtained from the Google web page, as same as we did in our course. This string for searching is the prepared string with the name of the product we want to search. Actually, what can we do? There are multiple searches we can make in Google, and here we made a search for the product. As you can see, this is shopping, this is the book, beginner's book, a lot of beginner's book, all prices in rubles. Cool, actually it works. We could get the simple search, images search, whatever actually. Maps, as we did in the course. But here is the shopping. Okay. We can have the Google search or shopping search for this task here. It is acceptable. Other search, for example maps for a product, is not acceptable. So if you did this search, yeah, or shopping, it is good. Cool, let's move on. So let's continue. 5.3 Formatted text. Add a product description as text on individual page. Add two buttons, save and edit. Okay, the other things are not so necessary. Let's move to our products for module. Okay, what do we have here? As you can see, we have different commands as edit info, save info, and on read server. Well, why do we need them? First of all, how do we store the formatted text? We need an additional attribute of value storage. You remember this, I suppose. After that, what do we have here? First of all, save info and save info at server. For the save info, we call the server procedure to store it in the products info. As you can see, here it is. We create new value storage, then we write this value storage to the products info, and this is how it is saved. After that, we make it uneditable, so we make it for read-only purposes. Then, when we open our form, this data should be uploaded to the field from the corresponding attribute. As you can see, here it is. This is the check. And also this is the upload. Okay. And this is the edit. When we press edit, we can now actually edit this field because it's not read only anymore. So how does it work? We go to lists, we go to products, open, for example, now it is editable because it is new, it is empty, or no, okay, edit, cool, book, we save. Now it's not editable. I can't do anything, I can delete, I can't. I close, I open again. Here it is. It was uploaded from the form opening procedure. Now I can edit. For example, yeah. Save info, and again it is saved. Okay, let's move on. The next task is 6.1, dynamic list. Develop a dedicated form for the homepage of your application. This form displays a list of products and their quantity in a specific warehouse. Okay, let's do it. This is our common form. It was made from scratch, absolutely new. And here we have created a new dynamic list with custom query. Here is our query for this dynamic list. Actually pretty obvious, as you can see. Not so hard to develop. Okay. And actually, this is all. That's how it works. This is our dynamic list. Cool. Let's move on. So we continue. 6.2 conditional appearance. For the list of products on the home page, implement the following functionality. If there are less than 10 units of product, left it in the warehouse, mark the row in red. Mark the row in red. Okay. We do not go anywhere from our home page form. We open our attribute to the dynamic list setup, and in the settings we can see this conditional appearance. What do we change? Background color, font, text color. Okay. The condition is quantity balance less than 10. That's pretty easy. This is the thing we change. And here we go. Because we have changed it for all the dynamic lists, we do not need to select any additional, as you can see, formatted fields. So we change all the dynamic list. That's how it works. Cool. Let's move on. So 6.3, now we speak about functional options. Add functional option warehouse inventory control, which disables warehouse inventory control for receipt order and expense order documents. Fortunately, this was a typo, and we are talking about receipt invoice and expense invoice document, so be careful, please. Okay, let's do it. This is our functional option. So it should be stored in additional constant, as you remember. This is it. As you can see, of Boolean type. Okay, it's just a flag. Then we select content. We go to documents. We go to receipt invoice. We go to attributes, and we include warehouse. And in tabular section, we include the storage. The same thing with the expense invoice, warehouse and storage. That's actually all. Now we select. It is on, so we should see everything. As you can see, warehouse and storage. Cool. Constants form. We do reread. Where is refresh? No refresh. Okay, just close open. As you can see, no warehouse, no storage. That was easy. That's how it works. Let's move on. Okay, the last part is very easy. Add subsystems. In the other subsystem, add a constant form where you collect all the constants, as well as a flag for enabling this functional option. This is a constant too, actually. Add functionality to navigate through open tabs, draw a random image, and use it as a picture for one of the subsystems of your choice. Okay, so for the subsystems it is easy. There are the subsystems. For picture, you select them here. You can use standard, you can use form configuration, you can upload them here. What next? We have the constant form. As you can see, it includes everything. So these are our subsystems. Yeah, I haven't added the picture. I was lazy to draw something. And then we go to settings, panel settings, and this is our navigation. So that's all. That's all we should do for the module 4 practice task. As you can see, it was pretty easy to complete. I think that no issues happened. So good luck in the development basics final task, and see you in the mobile course. Good luck.